All right, hold that position, easy down.
Copy, descending slowly.
Curvature looks correct.
Verified against the specifications.
Yeah.
It's a perfect match.
Watch the alignment on section 4. Clear. Setting the next rivet now. Confirm fit is good, proceed.
The tolerances on these window mounts seem tighter than the schematic suggests.
Let me check the revision log on the tablet. Check the alignment on section 4.
Looks good. Applying final torque now.
Roger that, moving to sealant.
Torque wrench engaged on section 4.
Copy that, alignment holding steady. Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Got it. Start torque sequence.
Make sure the alpha bundle clears the rib.
Got it. Securing the P-clip now.
Okay, secure that bracket now. Use the torque wrench on the lower bolts. Roger that, checking stability now. Okay, ease it down just a touch. Got it. Pin inserted and locked. A little more to the left, steady now. Rollers are seated. We are good for final positioning.
Pay close attention to the wiring harness connection points here. The tolerances are extremely tight on the turboprop housing.
Ease it back 5 millimeters. Affirmative. Torquing the final bolts now. We are secure.
Easy now, just a few more inches.
Copy that, holding steady.
Mounts aligned, proceeding with insertion.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Copy that, coming down steady.
It's tight.
Okay, FADEC reports nominal. Good link. Ready for the torque wrench? Set it to 300. Confirming 300, engaging now. final torque applied to the assembly.
Confirmed. The hydraulic connection is secure and within tolerance. Ensure all harnesses are connected securely.
They are connected. The primary power is active.
Good. The trim wheels move freely.
Ensure the harness is properly secured. The finish is outstanding.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's clear this bay. Ensure these breakers are secured to the correct torque specs.
Yes, I'm using the calibrated wrench for the green circuits now.
Torque is set. We have a stable signal on high frequency.
Noted. Logging the results now.
Alignment looks good. Ready to secure.
Torquing the bolts now. Confirmed green on the tablet.
Did you torque that down to spec?
Yeah, just finished the last one.
Easy now. Watch the hydraulic lines.
Clear on this side. We're seated. Hit the locks. Are the rivets seated on the lower spar? Checking now. Looks good. We're lined up on the hinge point. How are the control rods looking?
Connected and ready for the torque check.
All green on the rudder swing. Test complete.
That's heavy. Make sure it's flush against the bulkhead. It's seated. Start the sequence on the torque wrench. Ensure the tension is within limits.
Checked. It's secure.
Main gear weight confirmed at 31,500 pounds.
Acknowledged. The center of gravity calculation is complete and within limits.
Thumbs up for power.
Check. Exterior lights active.
And the cabin is holding steady red. Nice work. Push it slightly to the left. Watch the clearance.
Okay, it's in.
Secure the straps and double check the pressure gauge.
That should hold firmly now. Looks good from here. Moving on to the next panel.
Check the alignment right here on the mount.
Torque is good. We are within tolerance.
Perfect. Logging the results now.
C-130J digital brain activated. All systems online.
Checklist complete for canister 1. Pressure looks good.
Agreed. Moving to the next section.
seeing some resonance at the wingtip.
Noted. The displacement looks acceptable so far.
Main pump's engaged. Flow rate looks good. Confirm levels on your end.
Hydraulics engaged.
Engaged.
Avionics power stabilized.
Engine start sequence ready.
Confirmed, ready to spool.
Okay, next one. Careful with this pallet.
Got it. Watch your step on the ramp.
Clear the path for the forklift.